Most people think making money online is complicated. Coding, teams, big budgets. They assume you need years of experience just to get started. But what if I told you that today, you can build a full website in minutes using AI and turn it into a passive income system that actually pays? Not someday, not after months of learning. Once the system is in place, the money can start coming while you focus on other things. In this video, I'm going to show you real ways to make money with an AI-built website and guide you step by step on how to get started fast. No coding, no tech headaches. Let's dive in. First, let's clarify. What exactly is an AI website? It's a fully functional website created using smart tools that handle all the heavy work for you. Design, layout, content, mobile optimization, even basic SEO. You don't touch code. You don't start from scratch. You just give it an idea, maybe pick a style, and the platform builds it for you. Platforms like Olet make this process insanely fast. You type your idea, choose a direction, and within seconds, you're looking at a clean, professional website. The beauty? You don't spend weeks or hire a designer. The website is ready to earn, test, and grow from day one. Let's say you're starting from zero. No website, no coding skills. You just want something that can make money online. The first move is to go to Olet, hit sign up, and create your account. It only takes a few minutes. Answer a few quick prompts about what you want your website to do. After answering all the questions, you let the AI do its thing. And just like that, your website is live. No worrying about fonts, colors, or layouts. No endless tweaking. Skip straight to the part that matters. Monetization. That's where the real action begins and where your site starts working for you. Now that you have your website and it's live, these are monetization pathways. Recommendations, affiliate income, create pages that list tools or services people are already searching for. When someone clicks and signs up, you earn a commission. Your website quietly becomes a digital salesperson working 24/7, selling your own digital products. Upload a guide, a checklist, a template. The website sells it over and over. No inventory, no shipping, pure margin. This is where websites stop being projects and start being assets. Content and traffic publish helpful pages that answer questions people are searching for. Traffic grows slowly. Over time, the website starts generating income simply from existing visitors. Subscriptions and memberships offer exclusive resources or ongoing value. Memberships or small monthly fees scale quietly when the system is running. Here's the most important part. All of this only works if your website is live, flexible, and easy to update. That's why AI website platforms like Olet are quietly winning. They remove friction. They let you move fast. You focus on decisions that actually affect income, not tech issues. Making money online isn't about chasing platforms. It's about owning a digital space you control. Social media brings attention. Websites turn attention into income. If you already have a website sitting there doing nothing, you don't need to rebuild it. You need a monetization plan. And if you don't have one yet, start with a system that lets you go from idea to live site in minutes, like Olet.